Wow, wow. I bet when you come to a Techstars demo day, you don't expect to end on the violin app, right? Well, that's it. Thank you. What do you think? So before we wrap, I said in the beginning that I want Techstars Chicago to be known as the most intensely founder-focused. So on day one, our team, my team at Techstars Chicago, I told them something very clear. There's a hierarchy. I told them that they come second. Today they come last. But that's because it's about founders first. But we would not be here today without this team, the Techstars Chicago team. They put together the program, run it every day, organized all of these events. They do everything. I don't touch a thing except maybe giving bad advice to some of the founders. So wanted to come up and say thank you so much to the Techstars Chicago team. We have Max, who sent us cold email inbounds to try to come work for the program from overseas and offered to work for us for free. Max is trying to stay here in the US, looking for roles in design, product, account management here or San Francisco. If you know of any of those things or are interested in learning more about Max, please talk to him. We have Amanda. Both Amanda, Hannah, and Patrick, all on our portfolio team. Their whole summers were spent picking 3 companies for and working with them day to day. Amanda has experience in PR, marketing, working in an accelerator, and is looking for careers in those or potentially growing a career in venture capital. If you're interested or know any available opportunities that Amanda should pursue, please come talk to her. Hannah has been with us since January, she's the only associate that went through all of the recruiting process, all of the sourcing, meeting these companies from their first pitch. She's finished up at Kellogg and is interested in roles in leading operations at a startup or in product at a larger tech company. Please, if you know of anything or would like to connect with Hannah. Brad came in as our ops associate and basically hands-on everything. He is a maker very actively at MHub. He's looking for opportunities in sales, business development, or anything where he can get his hands dirty and building. You should see the giant key he made for Hurry Home. If you know those, talk to Brad. Patrick. Patrick also cold emailed us. He said, I want to be a part of this team. He didn't just cold email us and say, hey, give me a job. He said, let me add value. Let me tell you about the sales help I can provide to your companies, providing sales templates, best practices, things he could provide to the companies that he worked with, and he's done so. Second Kitchen, going from 1 to 20 bars, also help from Patrick, who fortunately will be bringing those sales skills to Groupon in the very near future. Jada, my BFF, sits across from me. We found out that we both like old-fashioned donuts. Every day, such a bright smile, comes in and asks me a question. I can't say enough about Jada. She's at the University of Chicago, pursuing some internship opportunities, and hopefully someday, not hopefully, will be someday on this stage as a founder herself. Jada. And Jessica. Oh, it's every single day leading our ops, literally in charge of all of those mentor meetings, those 500 mentor meetings that we talked about. Not just scheduling and bringing them in, but everything that goes along with it. Planning events like these. Jessica helped run ops and is not only pursuing her dance career and potentially starting something along with that dance career, right? But also interested in talking to people about additional roles in account management and service. And Rachel. What can I say about Rachel? Her title is Program Manager at Techstars Chicago. We call her our COO. She runs everything. I work with companies. She runs the entire program. Would not be here. thank you so much to Rachel. If you are pursuing interesting opportunities, please do not poach. Rachel. Thank you. So that's our team, that's our show. Now we're gonna bring everyone up. Everyone, please, CEOs from the back. This is the moment where you take out your phones and you get a picture. You get a picture of the entire cohort of Techstars Chicago 2018. Phones, you can tweet at Techstars or you make a comment or a post about your favorite company. This will be our new built-in Chicago profile picture and probably in all of our press releases for the next 24 months. So we're gonna do a quick picture here and then we're gonna wrap up. Remember, we're gonna be upstairs right after this, and if you want to be helpful to the local startup community, if you liked what you saw, we're interested in one of the companies, they need to know. Find them, tell them, say hello, introduce them to somebody, tweet about them, post about them, go work for them. Thank you so much for being here. Techstars Chicago 2018.